celebrating opening night of Miami Boat Show, one of the most important events in our city, by honoring one of the most important people in our city, John Turchin.
It's a pleasure to be here tonight. I'm Johnny Turchin, and it's a pleasure to be honored by all the wonderful people that honored me tonight here. And I guess the question is of why. You know, what did we create? Why are we all here today? Family's been here since the 20s, creating, developing Miami. So we really are part of, you know, the innovation of Miami and what has happened here today.
We're here to celebrate Miami, all the innovation that's taken place, all the different tech companies that are merging here, making Miami Beach what it is today, and also have a great time. Thank you to everyone for coming out. Our Faces of Innovation, Where Boat Show opening night party. Great success, and thank you to all of our sponsors.